Hey, I'm Jim Weber at the Fox 13 Weather Center. Thanks for logging on to myfoxhurricane.com. Everything's still very quiet in the tropics. Looking across the Gulf of Mexico, the one area that we do see some showers and thunderstorms across the eastern Gulf of Mexico. But this is all actually associated with an upper level trough, which has been working its way across the southeastern U.S. Across the rest of the Gulf of Mexico, very quiet conditions. Really hard to find any cloud cover. And then this time of the year, we watch down into the Western Caribbean. You can see everything's quiet. In fact, all of the Caribbean is basically cloud-free for the vast majority of it. So things are going to stay very quiet. We've got plenty of warm water in place with these water temperatures running up into the mid-80s. But there's also a lot of dry air in place. Water vapor imagery showing the dry air through the Gulf of Mexico down into the Caribbean. So it's very typical this time of the year. Things are quiet throughout the month of June into July. It's not really until we get into August that we actually expect to see more activity. So for now, things are quiet in the tropics. We're going to keep you updated right here on myfoxhurricane.com.